Hare Krishna. So in this video we're going to show you how to make a crown for Subadrama. So this is a cardboard which is not too thick or not too thin, and this is a canvas which is stickable when heat is put on it. So our Subadrama head circumference is 7 inches, but we are taking 8 inches. You will know why we took that. And we'll measure the exact center of this cardboard, that is 4 inches. And at 3/4 inch we will mark in the same way over here and also over here. We'll draw in this way. And cut accordingly. And we should also draw like this. We have actually sticked this cardboard onto that canvas by ironing it, and now we are cutting the excess off. And here when we stick it, 1/2 inch on one side and 1/2 inch on other side will get reduced. Therefore we have cut 8 inches instead of 7 inches at the start. And here we're going to stick this fabric lace. In this way. We don't need to apply gum completely, but 1 drop at the start and 1 drop at the end is enough. And now we are going to use this lace for the border of the crown. Types of laces and color combinations of the crown, it depends on our creativity and Subadrama's will. And now we are going to stick this kind of embroidery patch. Stick this kind of cloth frill. Soon we are also going to post a tutorial video on how to make this kind of frills. And now we are going to use this kind of small kundans for decorating the crown. And we are going to stick some flowers. We get all these items in any craft store or fancy store. And many of these items are also found in our home itself. And here we go. We have completed this crown for Subadrama. Looks like she only made it